You grabbed that bottle off the shelf, it was like $3. It said cleans fuel injectors right on the label, so you poured it in. And now your car is running worse. Check engine light is on, rough idle, that familiar stutter at every red light. Sound familiar? Here's the brutal truth. Most fuel injector cleaners at your local auto parts store are either completely useless or they're actively damaging your engine. And today, I'm gonna name names. 9 products you need to avoid and 5 that actually deliver on the promise. Stay to the end because the last recommendation might just be the only one you ever need. Welcome back to Auto Mastery. Let's get into it. Before we drag any products through the mud, you need to understand one thing. There is one ingredient that separates a real fuel injector cleaner from an overpriced bottle of nonsense, and that ingredient is called PEA, polyetheramine. Here's why it matters. Over time, especially in modern direct injection engines, carbon builds up like crust on a really old pan. It coats your injector tips, your intake valves, the combustion chamber walls, and that buildup, it wrecks your fuel spray pattern, causes misfires, kills your fuel economy, and makes your engine feel like it's running on 3 cylinders instead of 4. Now, most cheap cleaners use solvents like alcohol or kerosene. In a lab at room temperature, sure, they dissolve some stuff, but inside your running engine where temperatures are through the roof, they fall apart completely. They don't touch baked-on carbon. PEA is different. It's a true detergent compound, first developed by Chevron back in the 80s, and it's specifically engineered to break down and dissolve hard carbon deposits at engine operating temperatures. Research published in the SAE International Journal of Fuels and Lubricants confirms it. Studies from the ASME show that clean injectors can improve fuel economy by 5 to 10%. This isn't marketing fluff, it's science. So here's your golden rule. Flip the bottle over, find the ingredients, and if PEA isn't on there, put it back. Simple. Now, let's talk about what to actually avoid. Number 1, Marvel Mystery Oil. Now look, I'm not trying to disrespect a classic. Marvel Mystery Oil has been around since the 1920s, and some old school mechanics swear by it. But here's the thing, it's primarily a lubricant, not a cleaner. It keeps metal surfaces from wearing, that's great, but it cannot dissolve baked-on carbon deposits from modern fuel injectors. Pouring it in your tank expecting a deep clean is like washing your dishes with motor oil. Slippery, yes. Clean, no. Number 2, Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam have a loyal fan base, and I get it, it works okay on older, simpler engines, particularly 2-stroke setups, but its formula relies on naphtha and alcohol. For a 1978 lawnmower, maybe fine. For your modern turbocharged GDI engine, it lacks the PEA chemistry to do anything meaningful at the injector level. You're essentially adding expensive mineral spirits to your tank. Number 3, Abro Injector Cleaner. This one genuinely surprised me when I dug into it. Abro contains what's described as number 2 gas oil, which is essentially diesel fuel. And that stuff is not designed to clean gasoline fuel injectors. In fact, it can gunk up your fuel filter, cause deposits in the wrong places, and leave you with more problems than you started with. Hard pass. Number 4, generic bargain bin cleaners, the $3 bottles. You know the ones. No name brand, flashy label, big promises. These are almost always kerosene or basic alcohol with a drop of dye to make the liquid look impressive. Here's the scary part. Because they're so weak as cleaners, what they sometimes do is loosen the top layer of deposits, and then those loose chunks float right into your injectors, clog them, or get pushed into your catalytic converter. A $3 bottle can turn into a $1,500 cat replacement bill. Not worth it. And hey, if you're getting value out of this breakdown, drop a like right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more people, and it costs you absolutely nothing. Okay, back to the list. Number 5, ethanol-heavy cleaners. Here's something not enough people talk about. Ethanol attracts water. It's hygroscopic, meaning it literally pulls moisture out of the air and into your fuel system. That leads to corrosion inside your tank and fuel lines. Worse, An ethanol-heavy cleaner can throw off your air-to-fuel ratio, causing the engine to run lean. And a lean-running engine generates enough heat to melt pistons. That's not hyperbole. That is how people end up with catastrophic engine damage. Number 6. Alcohol-heavy formulas. Similar issue, different target. High alcohol cleaners are aggressive on rubber. The seals and O-rings in your fuel system are designed to handle gasoline, not repeated blasts of concentrated alcohol. Over time, these seals dry out, crack, and start leaking. Now you have fuel leaks. Now your fuel pump is starving. This is a slow disaster that sneaks up on you after a few treatments. Number 7. Kerosene-based cleaners. Here's the irony. Kerosene is so mild it can't clean stubborn carbon, but it's just aggressive enough to lower the octane rating of your fuel. Lower octane means your engine's NOx sensors start pulling timing. The engine retards ignition to prevent knocking, and you lose power and efficiency, the opposite of what you were going for. Number 8. Harsh solvent cocktails, acetone or xylene blends. These are the other extreme, too aggressive. Acetone and xylene are industrial-strength solvents that will eat through plastic fuel system components and rubber seals like they're made of tissue paper. They can also overwhelm your catalytic converter with hydrocarbons and cause it to fail. Automakers explicitly warn against harsh solvent-heavy aftermarket additives for this exact reason. Just because something cleans aggressively doesn't mean it's safe to use inside a precision fuel system. Number 9. The Miracle Multi-Purpose Blends. You've seen these. Products that claim to fix your fuel injectors, clean your oil, treat your exhaust, boost horsepower, and probably also do your taxes. Here's the reality. When a product tries to do everything, it usually does nothing particularly well. Multi-purpose blends often don't contain enough of any active ingredient to actually work, and the cocktail of chemicals they throw together can create unexpected reactions, throwing off your fuel mixture, fouling sensors, or creating deposits in one area while trying to clean another. Alright, that's the Hall of Shame. 9 products that are either wasting your money or actively working against you. Now for the good news. Remember the golden rule. Look for PEA. Everything on this list has, and these 5 are the ones mechanics, engineers, and car enthusiasts consistently reach for. Number 1. Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner. This is your everyday hero. Lucas Deep Clean contains PEA and also includes fuel system lubricants that protect your pump and injector internals while it cleans. It's budget-friendly, widely available, and perfect for regular preventative maintenance, say every 3,000 miles or so. Think of it as the twice-yearly dental cleaning for your engine. Nothing dramatic, just keeping things from getting out of hand. Number 2. Gum Out Regain High Mileage. Specifically formulated for cars with over 75,000 miles, and that's a key distinction. At that mileage, you're dealing with years of accumulated deposits. Gum Out Regain packs a high concentration of PEA designed to tackle that kind of deep-seated grime. If you bought a used car and have no idea what the previous owner used or didn't use, a bottle of Regain is a great starting point. Laboratory data confirms the PEA concentration is in the 30 to 40% range, which is genuinely effective. Number 3. Royal Purple Max Clean. This one's a premium pick, a true 3-in-1 product that cleans, stabilizes your fuel, and claims to improve overall performance. Royal Purple is known in enthusiast circles for serious chemistry, and Max Clean lives up to that reputation. One treatment reportedly lasts up to 10,000 miles, which makes the higher price tag make a lot more sense when you do the math. Alright, real quick, if you're not already subscribed to Automastery, now's a good time to fix that. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you actually see these videos when we drop them. We put out this kind of deep dive content every week, and I'd hate for you to miss it. Okay, back to the good stuff. Number 4. Redline SI1. This is the heavy artillery. Redline SI1 contains up to 50% PEA, the highest concentration of any over-the-counter fuel system cleaner you can buy without walking into a shop and asking a professional. If your car is stuttering, hesitating, losing power noticeably, or if you just bought a high-mileage vehicle and want to genuinely reset the fuel system, this is what you reach for. It's not cheap, but it's the most powerful tool in the arsenal for a real cleaning job. Use it for 1 or 2 tanks, then switch to a maintenance product. Number 5. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. The gold standard. Full stop. Techron is the cleaner that automakers actually recommend. GM recommends it. Honda recommends it. It's been validated in independent testing. It's safe for all fuel system components, including O2 sensors and catalytic converters. And it has a long track record of restoring fuel economy and smoothing out rough-running engines. This is what you keep in your garage for regular use. Every oil change, pour a bottle in. It's that simple. Now look, even the best product in the world can cause a rough idle if you over-concentrate it. Always follow the bottle's instructions on how much to add per tank. More is not better. A lot of these products have a maximum effective concentration, beyond which you're just wasting product and potentially causing temporary issues. The cleaning chemistry has a ceiling. More cleaner doesn't mean more clean. Here's the practical game plan. For prevention, if your car is running fine and you just want to keep it that way, use Lucas Deep Clean or Chevron Techron every 3,000 miles or every oil change. Inexpensive, effective, done. For a deep clean, if your car is stuttering, hesitating, or you just bought something with 120,000 miles and mystery maintenance history, run 1 or 2 tanks with Redline SI1. Give it a good highway drive to really let the chemistry work at temperature, then switch to a maintenance routine. And always, always add the cleaner to a nearly empty tank before filling up. That way the product mixes thoroughly with fresh fuel and gets distributed evenly through the system. So here's the bottom line. The fuel injector cleaner aisle at the auto parts store is a minefield. Most of what's on those shelves is either ineffective filler or worse, actively harmful to your modern engine. The only thing you need to remember is 3 letters, PEA. That is the ingredient that does real work. Avoid the bargain bin, avoid the multi-purpose miracle claims, stick to the 5 products on this list and your fuel system will thank you for years to come. Now, if this video just saved you from pouring the wrong stuff into your tank, do me a solid and give this video some hype. Drop a like, share it with someone who's about to make a $3 mistake, and subscribe to Auto Mastery if you haven't already. We've got a full breakdown of top-tier gasoline coming up next, because what you put in the tank matters just as much as what you clean it with. Until then, keep it clean, keep it running. I'll catch you in the next one.